In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Hostinger's hPanel and successfully install an SSL certificate for your domain. This step-by-step guide is perfect for those who are new to web hosting or simply want to ensure their website is secure with SSL encryption. Trust me, once you get the hang of this process, you'll find it straightforward and incredibly valuable for enhancing your website's security. Let's start by logging into your Hostinger hPanel. If you're new to this, no worries. Simply open your preferred internet browser and head over to the Hostinger website. Once there, go to the login page and enter your credentials. If you find yourself unsure of what your username or password might be, look for the Forgot Password option to initiate a password reset. Doing this will ensure that you have everything you need to successfully log in. Now that you're in your hPanel, the next step is to navigate to the SSL section. You'll typically find this option in the main dashboard menu. Just so you know, SSL stands for Secure Sockets Layer, a protocol designed to secure the transmission of data between the server and the user. It encrypts the information to keep it safe from prying eyes, a crucial element for any website handling sensitive data. Once you're in the SSL section, it's time to select the domain for which you'd like to install an SSL certificate. Be sure to choose the correct one, especially if you manage multiple domains. Mistakes happen, but taking a moment to double check will save you time later on. After you've ensured you've chosen the right domain, click on Install SSL. This button will kickstart the installation process, guiding you through some prompts that make setting up the certificate both simple and efficient. As you progress through the installation prompts, feel free to follow the on-screen instructions. They're designed to be user-friendly, walking you through each necessary step. Pay careful attention here, ensuring you don't miss any essential fields or confirmations. The process can vary slightly depending on whether you're enabling a new SSL certificate or renewing an existing one, but the system is generally straightforward. Finally, once you've completed the installation process, verifying that the SSL certificate is active on your site is crucial. Open a new tab in your browser and navigate to your website. You're looking for a small padlock symbol close to the URL. This is your indicator that SSL is correctly active. If you see the padlock symbol, congratulations! Your site is now secure. Thank you for watching this tutorial on installing SSL through Hostinger hPanel. If any part of this video was unclear, or if you have more questions on web hosting, please don't hesitate to reach out in the comments below. Make sure to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Happy hosting!